Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your organization use SharePoint to manage the task, you have probably faced one common problem. People forget their deadlines. Some employee miss the due dates. Some forget tasks completely. Manager have no idea which tasks are overdue until it's too late. So today I am going to show you a complete smart task reminder system built using SharePoint and Power Automate. The best part is no premium connector, working completely with SharePoint Online, send a beautiful HTML email, supports multiple reminder schedules, can user add manager in the CC automatically, send one email even if user have multiple tasks, include centralized reminder setting, include company branding, include flow execution logging. Instead of showing you every Power Automate action one by one, today I will show you how the complete solution work and explaining all feature. So let's get started. Imagine your organization has 100 of tasks. Some are due date today, some are due date next week, some are already overdue. Normally, user never receive the reminders. Managers don't know which tasks are delayed. User receive multiple unnecessary emails, and every company wants different reminder schedules. Some needed reminders 7 days before, 14 days before, on due date, 7 days later, 14 days later. Building all of this from scratch takes a lot of time. That's exactly why I created this solution. The solution is actually very simple. Everything starts from SharePoint. We maintain all the tasks inside a SharePoint list. Power Automate runs every day automatically. It checks every task, look at the due date, matches with reminder settings, groups tasks by assigned user, create one beautiful email, and optionally manager in the CC. If the admin set in every email, manager needs to include that reminder email, so that is also possible. Finally, we add the log execution. Everything is automatically, no manual work required. This solution uses only 4 SharePoint lists. The first SharePoint list store all tasks. Second SharePoint list control reminder schedules. The third SharePoint list store company branding like company logo, support email, theme color, company name, regards. And the fourth list store every flow execution. This makes the entire solution configurable. This makes the entire solution can change in future without editing the flow. Even a business user can change the reminder schedule directly from the SharePoint list. So let me show you the SharePoint list. Here is the task list. Each task has task name, assigned user, priority, status, and due date. Power Automates read only incomplete tasks. Complete tasks are ignored. That means the reminder will go when the task is incomplete. If the task is complete, we are not sending the reminder. One of my favorite feature is the reminder setting list. Instead of hard coding 7 days, 14 days, 30 days in Power Automate, everything you can do it here in this list. For example, if you want to before 14 days send an email, so you can add a new item and you need to add the title, and this is the reminder type before or after, then days, how many days. If you want to add the manager in that email, you can check this checkbox. Then what is the subject of the email, and you want to this enable or not. And even if you want 30 days, you can add a new item, and that is also work. No Power Automate modification required. And the third list is the admin setting list. This is make the email look professional. Everything comes dynamically from this SharePoint, like company name, company logo, support email, theme color, regards. If company change the branding, just update this SharePoint item. Every feature email automatically use this new branding. So every enterprise solution should include monitoring. That's why I added a flow log list. Each execution store run date, run status, details, flow run link. If something goes wrong, Administrator can quickly identify the issue, and this make the our reminder much easier. And let me show you the email. This is where the solution really useful. Instead of sending the separate email for every task, the flow group all the tasks assigned to the same user. If the user have 3 tasks due date today, they receive only one email. Inside the email, they can see the task name, priority, status, due date, and directly SharePoint link. This email is responsible and clean, professional, and branding with your company logo. You can see in my screen the email, and if I click on this link, it will open the directly the that task, right? So now let me show you the flow. This is the flow which I am talking about. Let me edit this flow. So this is the flow. Here in the trigger you can see I added the scheduled flow, and it will run every day at 10 o'clock. So once it will run, first I am try to retrieve all this list information. Then I am grouping the task. If the user have 2 tasks, I am group that thing as a one. Then here you can see I am getting the manager and storing in a variable. Once it is done, I'm creating the HTML table. Then finally I'm sending the email. If something will go wrong, that's why I added the log. In the down you can see we are creating the item in that log list, right? This is the flow. Now what we need to do, we need to test this flow. So to automatically test this flow, this is not possible because I added the at 10 o'clock it's need to run, but we can run this flow manually. So to run this flow manually, click on this test and click on manually, then click on test, then run flow. After that click on done. Once you click on done, you can see now the flow start running. You can see it's get the item, and you can see it is showing the 3 type of reminder process is there. If I show you in my list, you can see the 3 type of reminder type, right? That's why it's showing the 3 type of reminder type it's showing here. Once it will get the 3 type of, now it is getting the user. How many user we want to send? In my case, in if you saw in my list, I have only my name present in this list because I want to show you in this demo. That's why I added assign to only me. Otherwise, it will show people who are present here. That's why it is showing only one, right? Then once it is done, it is sending the email. And if the flow runs successfully, it need to run this flow successfully run part, and it will add the log. So first let me show you the log. If I now you can see it is 2 item is there. If I refresh the URL, you can see the third one, and it's run successfully. So now let's see the emails. If I go to the Outlook, you can see I received email 7 days, and these are the different tasks end in 7 days. That's why it is showing in the one table. Instead of sending the multiple email, I'm sending one email. And if the due date is today, then this is the email. So this is the flow. If you want the particular flow, you can visit the this SP guide article. Here we mention what are the things and what are the column I used and how the flow structure. Everything I explained here. You can see the SharePoint list, whatever the list is present, everything I explained here. And one of the best thing is I am not manually creating all the columns and SharePoint list. Here we already wrote a PowerShell script. That PowerShell script only creating the columns and lists. So if you want the particular solution, you can check the spguide.academy. Here we are providing all solution. If you go to this Power Platform solution, if I click the Power Platform solution and scroll down, you can see it here in the 14 product, Power Automate Smart Task Reminder System for SharePoint list. Here we added that particular solution things. So you can check out this link, and one of the best thing is Along with this, if you want to take our course and this product, all things include only this price range. If you take this 1 year subscription, you can find SharePoint Online, SharePoint Framework, PowerShell training course, Power Platform training course, and this all this product. So I'll recommend you to check this one. So that's our company smart task reminder system using SharePoint and Power Automate. Instead of manual tracking the due date, the system automatically reminds employee, notification managers, group the task, and provide the professional branding email. If you are looking for a production ready reminder solution without premium connector, this is the solution. You can save your lot of development time. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss the future SharePoint, Power Automate, Power Apps, and Microsoft Copilot Studio tutorial. Also let me know in the comment below what feature you would like to add in the next to this reminder system. I'll see you in the next video.